कब हो रही है पिक्चर? अभी तक समझ में आ गया होगा ट्रेलर देख के। कब हो रही है?
Can you say that
Yes,
loudly?
that's very intelligent, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
it's Deepavali. It's Happy Diwali. We all love to worship goddess Lakshmi. लक्ष्मी की पूजा करते हैं ना दिवाली पे। तो इस बारी उन लक्ष्मियों को सेलिब्रेट करेंगे थिएटर में, बिकॉज दिस इज अ रियल स्टोरी बेस्ड ऑन द लाइफ ऑफ प्रकाशियन चंद्र तोमर, जो इस समय कुछ 81 और 87 कुछ इस तरह की एज की हैं, मतलब हमारी ग्रैंड मॉम्स जितनी है। पहली बार गन उठाई थी तो 60 साल की थी, 60-65 at the age, you know, our mothers are at that age, or probably some grandparents of these girls must be of that age. उस एज पे उन्होंने बंदूक उठा के शूटिंग एज अ स्पोर्ट लिया था, जस्ट सो दैट कि उनकी डॉटर्स, ग्रैंड डॉटर्स, उनकी लाइफ ऐसी ना हो जैसी इन्होंने जी थी, जो सिर्फ घूंघट में थी। तो फ्रॉम घूंघट टू गन्स, देयर जर्नी ऑन स्क्रीन ऑन 25th of October. कब आ रही है? Louder.
And will you go with your grandparents?
Will you go? Will you take your parents and grandparents? Okay? आपको लेके जाते हैं ना सारे पिक्चर दिखाने आपके पेरेंट्स, इस बारी आपको अपने पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को लेके जाना है पिक्चर दिखाने, क्योंकि ये उनके लिए है, ठीक है? You know, you will also understand. You will also understand. They will also understand. But yes, as I said,
Why?
Arey, of course, you don't understand. You will understand everything. You go watch it. Okay, let's sit. Okay, we have more.
Please have a seat. Please have a seat. Now that, so because we are here for a noble cause, right? Let me just give you like a little background of what we're doing. So Mumbai's best luxury and lifestyle destination, Palladium, celebrated its 10th anniversary. And with 10 years of never-ending love and support from all of you, we at Palladium endeavor to give back to the society. And what way better than associating with Plan India. Now, what is Plan India? Plan India International is a nationally registered non-profit organization that strives to advance children's rights and equality for girls. They are known for creating a lasting impact on the lives of vulnerable, excluded children and their communities. As a part of Palladium's one of many efforts to give back to the society, a percentage of the total sales that happened on 26th of September, which was also our 10th anniversary date, is being donated to Plan India International. And this generous amount will be handed over to these lovely kids from the NGO by the Phoenix Mills President West, Mr. Rajendra Kalkar. And the radiant actresses, of course, Tapsi Pannu and Bhumi Pednekar ma'am. Now we have these lovely girls from the NGO, and I'd like them, like one or two of y'all can just come up and, you know, interact with Tapsi ma'am and Bhumi Pednekar ma'am. Shouldn't we do that? Of course, like two girls, can we have just one or two of y'all, please?
Come, come, come. Hi, क्या है आपका नाम?
My name is Shama Lokhande from Plan India organization.
Hi, Shama. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Siddhi Bhosle. I am from Saksham Institution.
Hi, Siddhi. Please sit. Do you guys have any questions
have
for us?
more-
Tell me
anyone
about
else
your
joining us?
initiative. What have you guys been doing? What kind of work are you all doing?
Presently, I am studying in 11th standard in SNDT Girls College, and I want to become an IS officer.
Very good. बहुत पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी यार.
Yes, ma'am.
Do
I
you
will
know-
do that.
Yes, because that's the only way forward,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And what do you do?
Recently, I am completed my graduation in BCom faculty.
Fantastic. And what do you plan on IS? Do you guys have any questions for us?
Yes, ma'am.
One by one.
What has been your mantra of success since both of you have achieved so much in your career, coming non-family industry background and in a short span of time? So,
I think the first step is to have a dream. You know, you need to have a dream and you need to dream big. You know, you will meet a lot of people through your life जो आपको बोलेंगे कि नहीं ये नहीं हो सकता, ये आपके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, लड़कियां ये नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन आपको उन लोगों की सबसे पहले बात नहीं सुननी है. लड़कियां सब कुछ कर सकती है, लड़कियां कुछ भी कर सकती है. Right? So dream big, have an aim and then just keep working towards it. लोग आपको बोलते रहेंगे नहीं होगा, कान बंद कर दो अपने. कान बंद करके सिर्फ अपना काम करो, अपना कर्म करो, आपको उसका फल मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. That's something that I have done. I decided when I was 12 or maybe even younger that I wanted to be an actor. You know, I come from a family where there are IIM pass outs, IIT graduates, doctors, lawyers, and it's very unheard of that in the kind of setup that I was born कि कोई actor बनना चाहता, and people demotivated me, and especially the kind of film that I did, my first film Dum Laga Ke Aisha was 90 kgs. You know, so nobody could imagine that this is where I will reach. But I was very clear. I said, God has given me an opportunity. I have to make the most of it. So keep working hard. Guys, your work and your hard work is the only thing that's going to give back to you 4 times, 10 times back. No other relationship apart from your parents will give you that much back in life. So just keep working hard. Have the courage to step out. Have the courage to break norms. Have the courage to become an example. You know, you get inspired by someone, try and become an inspiration in somebody's life. Because that's exactly what Sand Ki Aankh is also about. These dadis at the age of 65 picked up guns. उन्होंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी एक घूंघट के नीचे काटी है. वो कभी उन्होंने मॉल नहीं देखा, थिएटर के अंदर नहीं गई, टीवी कुछ नहीं देखा उन्होंने. वो जो उनकी छोटी सी दुनिया थी उसी में वो रही हैं. And today they've become such big examples of how to break stereotypes, of how to achieve your dream, that too at the age that they were at. They have helped over 50,000 women. That's a huge number. And that's exactly what all of us need to try to do. Become good examples. That's
I think she's spoken for both of us and more. No, but that's right. I mean, our journey more or less has been similar. The only difference being Bhumi was always clear she wanted to become an actress. I was not very clear of what I wanted to become. I'm a software engineer. I wanted to do my MBA. I never planned this life for me. But yes, I never took the opportunity for granted. That is one thing I followed in my life. Because whatever opportunity you're getting, it's God's gift. If you misuse it, then probably you'll not get any gifts anymore. So don't ever misuse an opportunity or take it for granted. Rest, yeah, I mean, no background and all, yes. I mean, I need to create a background for my coming generation. I thought of that. You know, it's okay if we didn't get that kind of background or support or whatever. It's just that I want to be one for my coming generation. अगर सबको ये सोच के पीछे बैठ जाएगा कि नहीं हमने हमारे पास नहीं था सपोर्ट तो हम भी क्या करें, तो मेरी आने वाली जनरेशन भी शायद नहीं कर पाएगी. So I just want to make a difference so that my coming generation can have a better life.
And you know what I honestly feel? That when you don't have a support system and then when you make a life for yourself, you should be a lot more proud of that life. क्योंकि आज जो भी आपने बनाया वो आपने खुद बनाया है. आपके मम्मी पापा ने आपको नहीं दिया है ना? और आप वही अपने बच्चों को सिखाओगे और उन आगे आने वाली पीढ़ियां यही सीखेगी. तो हमेशा ये याद रखो कि यार इट डजंट मैटर कि आप किस बैकग्राउंड में पैदा हुए हो, आपकी क्या सिचुएशन है. अगर आपके पास एक इच्छा है ना कुछ करने की, तो कोई आपको रोक नहीं सकता है.
Ma'am.
And you?
Ma'am, what is your favorite childhood memory?
शुरू कर ले, मैं सभी बोल दूंगी.
My favorite childhood memory, okay. So I was a very, very outdoor extrovert kid. मैं सिर्फ घर खाना खाने और सोने जाती थी. स्कूल से आते ही खाना
I
खाने के
actually
बाद.
want to share Tapsi's childhood memory. You know, she was so studious. Have you ever heard of any child having 100% attendance in school? When she had chicken pox, she went to school. Like literally उसको ना कोने में खड़ा किया था कि तुम नहीं आ सकते. This is a danger to all other children. आज जब मैंने सुना, मैंने कहा यार ये स्टोरी तो इसकी शेयर करनी पड़ेगी, बिकॉज क्योंकि आप इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, इससे इंस्पायरिंग चीज इन बच्चों के लिए नहीं हो सकती. तापसी से सीखो जब ये बीमार थी तब भी ये पढ़ाई करने जाती थी.
I loved studying. I loved going to school. I was that one annoying front bencher जिसको लोग ऐसे देखते हैं कि ये देखो teacher's pet, इसको सारे आंसर आते हैं. So I was that child. I used to love going to school. I had 100% attendance in 3 years in my school, and I used to love it so much. I went there once with chicken pox because I wanted to go to school, and my school obviously sent me back. But yeah, I used to love going to school. That is my childhood memory. What is your childhood memory?
Actually, for me, school was a lot of fun, and I think I've spotted a school friend of mine. I'm not sure if it's Kriti. Are you here?
Really?
Is that
You
Kriti?
spotted a school
Yeah, I
friend?
did, right? And I saw her and I wasn't sure. So, and she would actually come here. She was actually one of my closest friends in school, and I've actually met her after 15 years, I think. And
Oh,
this
wow,
is quite
that's
a
quite a-
moment. I spotted her and I wasn't sure. I was like, is that her? I was like, no, if it would be her, she would have like met me. So she is definitely a very big part of my very fond memories of school. School in Bombay is very different, yeah. I was always into speech and drama, theatre, dramatics, annual day practice. तो मैं मतलब classroom के बाहर ही ज़्यादा रहती थी और जो competitions होते थे inter house etc. But school एक ऐसा time है ना कि मतलब now that I think of it, I'm like, why did I even miss those 1 or 2 days in a year that I missed? Don't miss school ever, guys.
Oh,
It's the
100%
best
attendance.
thing. 100% attendance. I should have also tried. But everything, you know, just spending time with your friends, your teachers. Your teachers contribute so much to your life, and we don't really get a chance to thank them. The reason we are the way we are is because of the education our teachers have given us. In fact, I often say कि जब हम बड़े हो रहे होते हैं, हम ज़्यादा समय हमारे teachers के साथ बिताते हैं than with our parents. You know, so I would definitely take this moment to thank all my teachers who've contributed to my life, and I'm really here because of them, because they gave me the kind of confidence that I required at such a tender age, you know, which we should pass on to the younger generation as well.
So Palladium has partnered with Plan India for its 10th anniversary to support Girls Get Equal campaign, which is a global initiative, right? And both of you represent bold and beautiful women, and you've done so well. So what is the one suggestion? Like, we have these young girls who look up to you as their role models. So what's the one, like, takeaway that you want to say, or one suggestion for them?
You know, she already said that never think कि you cannot do something क्योंकि if you are a girl, okay, you cannot do something. Don't ever keep that in mind, because a lot of people might tell you that while you grow up, but don't keep that in mind. You can do anything you want to. And secondly, help other girls also to achieve the same, because you really can make a difference if you join hands. Trust me, there is no bigger power if a woman or a female joins another female. There's nothing that can stop you. So make sure you're helping each other and on the right path. And like, for example, you know, you're talking about equality. Let's make everything equal, not just in your house, but also at work, be it the amount of, you know, when you grow up, the kind of studies or education that a girl gets should be at par with the boy. When you grow up in your profession, you should be paid equally. You should get equal kind of opportunities. And because I'm an actor, I obviously can talk being an actor. आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी, ऑडियंसेस, क्योंकि आप सब मेरी ऑडियंस हो जो पिक्चरें देखते हो, please give a female-led film an equal chance like a male-led film.
So
Only
positive.
then the change will happen, because ये बोलते ही रह जाएंगे, नहीं तो हम ऐसी गैदरिंग्स में कभी होगा नहीं. हमारी पेमेंट अभी भी 5-10% होती है as compared to our heroes. That's because you all probably walk into a male-led film more than you walk into a female-led film. अगर आप लोग जाएंगे थिएटर में तो शायद we'll actually achieve equality in our industry. So please help us achieve that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And that was so positive, wasn't it, girls? Can we have a big hand for that? Okay.
Thank you.
Now we also have the president of High Street Phoenix Mills, Mr. Rajendra Kalkar. We want to welcome you, sir. And can you just enlighten us with a few words, sir? Please.
Oh, thank you. Before I enlighten, I would love to welcome Bhumi and Tapsi to Lower Parel High Street Phoenix. We had a very, very strong, we have very true strong women spoke very strongly about women power, and I endorse them. I'll give you two live examples. I spend half of my time at my home, and I spend half of my time in this office. In this office, we have about 4,000 employees, and I'm very happy to tell you about 52% are women in this whole building.
Wow. Wow.
At my home, I stay with my parents. Out of the 6 people we are, 4 are women.
How lovely. You're so blessed, I must say.
I agree with you. And I completely agree with you. So, you know, I endorse what they are saying, that it is lovely to stay around women because they really throw around a positive energy all around you. So it's very, very important that you learn a lot from women. They really educate you and bring you to a different level. Coming back to what Palladium is doing, this is our 10th year. We are very, very proud that we have been able to service customers across India for 10 long years. Best of the celebrities, best of the people, the chawl people around Lower Parel have all endorsed and come here for shopping for various brands. We thank all the customers, all the business partners that we have. As an occasion of the 10th year, you know, like every year, this is the 10th time that we are donating a top line of our sale of the day of our anniversary to a very noble cause. Plan India has been our partner. This is the second time that Plan India has come on board with us. And this time the topic has been for the goal, the spending will be on the girl equality, which is more overwhelming for our organization and personally for me more. So thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Thanks for sparing your time. And thank you, everybody.
Sir, we should thank you for doing such a noble thing. I think it is fantastic, and we should have a lot of examples like you, and a lot of people should take you and do what you're doing, because you know you need to have a big heart. We need to contribute, because only together can we uplift the people that need the help. और इंडिया में तो कितना टैलेंट है यार, कितना ज़्यादा टैलेंट है हमारे देश में. तो साथ मिलके हम सबको बहुत हमारी लड़कियों को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाना है, ठीक है. There should be equality, as Tapsi said, in every aspect, be it the food, be it the nutrition we give our children, be it the opportunities and education we give our girl children, be it the support we give them where to achieve their dreams. So congratulations to you.
Thank you. And I'm very happy that you had that Prakash Mehra Manmohan Singh moment when you met your friend after 15 years.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now it's time for me to invite on stage Miss Pinky Pradhan, who's the Director, Marketing and Communication from Plan India on the stage to speak a few words, ma'am.
Welcome.
Good evening, everybody. And before I begin, I really want to thank Palladium and 2 firebrand actresses, Tapsi and Bhumi, and I'm having a fan moment because I think you guys really rock, and what you said resonates with the campaign that we have launched last year. It's called Girls Get Equal, and it's a multi-year global campaign. This campaign is already running in 62 countries, and as of 11th October, 7,000 girls took over the positions of Prime Minister, President. In India, they took over the positions of Gaon Panchayats, they became the ambassadors, they took over the radio, Radio City, which is a huge radio channel. And what it really does, is exactly what you guys have advised. It challenges gender stereotypes. Right at the time when the girl is born, it addresses the issue of gender nutritional discrimination that takes place.
Yeah.
And from thereafter to the access to education, because if there's a girl child, the preference is for the male child to be sent to school and not for the girl child. She stays back to take care of her siblings and most of the time the parent, the mother. And thereafter, the struggle continues. She also faces discrimination for economic participation when it comes to jobs. She's not able to take it up because she's not got access to education. There is also issue of safety of mobility. You don't have transport to go to those places. And of course, thereafter, she gets married. She doesn't have an opportunity to decide for her own body and for herself. Whom she get married, when does she needs to have a child. So this campaign is the first girls-led movement all over the globe and India. And Plan India is extremely proud to get such kind of support from both of you and Palladium and all the public out here. And we hope that the association continues. We would really love to, have both of you, talk to our girls, encourage them, motivate them. We are in the process of talking to 10 million girls in India.
Wow.
So yes, we would love to be, we would like to welcome you to this movement. And thank you so much on behalf of Plan India and on behalf of all the girls who are here. They are the girls who are championing out there. They are negotiating for their rights as we speak here. So I think a big round of applause for these girls out there. And thank you so much once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Taapsee ma'am and Bhumi ma'am, can you please do the honors? Okay, can we also have on stage Gayatri ma'am, who's present here with us? Can we have you on stage, ma'am? Okay, now can we just have the equal sign on the cheeks, because girls get equal is the drill, guys. Hashtag girls get equal from Planet India. Can we have a big hand, please?